parents have asked me to wipe down our bathroom counter. The first thing that you need to do is clear off any items that you may have laying on them. Next, you need to wipe down the mirror. My mom has already done that for me because it might be dangerous for kids. She has also already sprayed the cleaner for me because we should not be handling that. Now all I need to do is wipe it down. Let's get started. We want to make sure to wipe whatever might be on your counters into a pile. That way we can sweep it off. Make sure to get in the sinks and around them. I am using an old t-shirt, but use whatever material that your parents give you. Make sure to work in all the cleaner and get up anything that might be on the counter. Make sure to get in between the sink crevices too, and behind it as well. We want to make sure that we're cleaning the whole surface. It's okay if you need to use a different part of your rag. Just switch which way you're holding it. Remember to get the sinks. Now that we've finished working in all the cleaner, we need to sweep it over. Then we can empty our rag out over the trash can or put it in the hamper to go into the laundry. Good job!